Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my video. Today I am sharing capsicum omelette recipe. This is stuffed capsicum slices with egg and onion and some spices. To make this recipe, slice the capsicum like this, remove seeds and cut like this. You can use as much as you want. I am using 2 capsicum and 2 egg. Sprinkle some chili flakes and black pepper, like 1 pinch of black pepper. Do not whisk the egg, just mix it slowly. Then add diced cut onion. I am using 1 onion and some coriander. Mix egg, onion and coriander and spices slowly. Do not whisk it like normal omelette. It will give nice taste. Then take a pan and add 1 to 2 teaspoon oil. Then place all the slices of capsicum. Cook it on low flame for 1 minute. Then with the help of a teaspoon, add the egg mix in each slice of capsicum. Cook it for 1 minute. Now sprinkle salt and some red chili flakes if you want to make it more spicy. Now one by one flip the capsicum slices to cook another side. Cook the another side for 1 minute. These are tasty mini capsicum slices omelette. I made this for dinner time and eaten with rice. If you like this video, do like and comment. Please subscribe my channel. Join me on Instagram and check my playlist here for other easy recipes. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.